Hi, I'm Brendan, one of the founders of Lori Beds, and this is the Lori Storage System assembly video. Our Lori storage products allow you to add any combination of cabinets, drawers, and shelves to your Murphy bed. Now I'll be assembling this combination today, which might be different from what you ordered, but still watch this video and combine that with the printed instructions that came in your box, and you'll have everything you need for a smooth assembly. Of course, if you have any questions along the way, our customer service team is here to help. With that, let's get started.
We'll begin with step 1, assembling the main cabinet. Lay out the cabinet top, bottom, and back braces. Insert cam lock nuts, V2, and twist each one so the arrow on the nut points to the hole in the edge of the board. Next, insert wood dowels, B2, into the holes along the edges of the panels. For step 2, insert connector screws, U2, into the top and bottom panels. Tighten them all the way down to the shoulder. Attach the upper and lower back braces to the top and bottom panels and tighten the cam lock nuts. In step 3, we'll work with the cabinet sides. Attach connector screws around the edges of the panels where indicated in the manual. Again, screw them all the way down to the shoulder. Then, add shelf support screws, E2, to each panel where your shelves are located. In step 4, we put everything together. Add the top, bottom, and rear brace to one of the side panels and tighten the lock nuts. Then add the second side panel on top and tighten the remaining lock nuts. In step 5, we'll add the leveling feet. Screw in a mounting plate on each corner, then screw in the leveling foot. Stand the cabinet up and add only the shelves shown in the instruction manual. Push down until they pop onto the screws and then tighten from underneath. The rest of the shelves will get added later after the cabinet is anchored to the bed. For step 6, move the cabinet into position for anchoring. Before anchoring, check that the cabinet is level and flush with the bed. Adjust the leveling feet as needed. Once level, anchor the shelf to the bed with the provided screws. Then we'll add the remaining shelves, which cover those screw holes. Tighten from underneath, and that completes the main cabinet assembly. Cabinet door installation. If your unit includes doors, lay the doors on the floor. Add soft close hinges in each spot. Doors can be mounted on the right or left side of the cabinet and on the top or bottom. The first way to mount the door is to have a partner hold it in place while you attach each hinge with 2 screws in the pre-drilled holes in the cabinet. The second method is to detach the mounting plates from the hinges, install them in the cabinet, and then pop the hinges back together. Finally, add the door handles. We'll cover the final adjustments of the door in the last part of the video. Drawer installation. If your unit includes drawers, lay out the pieces for each drawer box. Insert wood dowels into the ends of the front and back panels. Align the dowels with a drawer side and attach with screws. Slide in the drawer box bottom. Add wood dowels and attach the remaining drawer side with screws. Repeat for all drawer boxes. To install the drawer slides, take note of the front of the drawer, which has holes in it. Position the inner slide rail so the closed end is aligned with the front of the drawer. Attach with screws in the pre-drilled holes. Repeat on the other side. To attach the drawer front, insert wood dowels along the edges. Align the front with the holes on the box and attach with screws from the inside. Finally, attach the handle. To install the outer rail in the cabinet, align the last hole in the rail with the rear hole in the cabinet and attach with a screw. Slide the rail as needed to access the remaining two holes. Install the drawers by aligning the inner and outer slide rails and push all the way in. Door adjustment. Check that your cabinet doors operate smoothly. If not, you can turn the rear screw on the hinge to move the door forward and backward. You can turn the front screw to move the door left and right. When you're satisfied with the operation, add 2 final screws to each hinge.
And there you have it. Thank you so much for choosing to take back your space with us at Lori Beds. If you love your products, please leave us a review, tag us in social media at Lori Beds. And again, from everyone here, thank you.